guys, welcome back to Video Games Cole. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use your camera to video or take a photo on a Windows laptop or PC. So it's pretty simple. You're going to want to come here to type down to search. Type your search. You're going to want to search up camera. You're just going to want to tap camera. And then there you go. There's your camera. As you can see, it works. I can take a photo. I can do all that. So, and then if you want to change the video, just hit this icon and we can video it. And then once you are done that, you just can come down here and hit this, and you can see your pictures or videos. So it's pretty cool, right? Anyway, that's how you do it. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. I'll see you guys next time, and bye for now.